So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10, money. So what currency we are using here in India?
Rupees.
Rupees and paise.
Paise.
Okay. Then last year we have learned that which all some currencies and notes are available. Which all
Yes.
notes are available? Notes and coins. Notes and coins are available. Which notes are available? Which all notes we will use?
10,
Hmm.
20, 50, 100,
Hmm.
500,
Hmm.
100,
Ah,
500,
5 rupee note is there, 10 rupee is there, 10 rupee note is there, then 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100, 200, 500, 2000. Which all coins we will use?
1, 2, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10.
1, 2,
5,
5,
10.
10.
1, 2, 5, 10.
1, 2, 5, 10. These all things last year you have learned. This year you are going to learn how we will convert. My dear children, in that chapter, many sections are there, but you only want to study 10.1. Okay, 10.1, the first section, 10.1. 10.2, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5 and all deleted. That is not there included in the portion. Only 10.1 you have to study. In that also, till question number 16. I'll tell you when we are doing. Only till question number 16 we have to discuss. So, only the main concept is that to do those questions, conversion from rupees to paise or and paise to rupees. How we will do that? 1 rupee equal to how many paise?
50 paise.
1 rupee equal to, is it 50 paise?
100.
Oh, yes, Jovial. Isan, it is 100 paise.
100 paise.
1 rupee equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee equal to how many paise?
100 paise.
100 paise. So, my dear children, if some rupees are given, some amount is given in rupees, to convert that rupees to paise, you have to multiply by 100. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So, to convert from rupees to paise, you have to multiply by which number? Multiply by
100.
100.
100.
I'll show you that. So, no need to open any book. No need to open any book. Please listen. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise.
100.
So, to convert from rupees to paise, you have to multiply by 100. Okay. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So, 2 rupee equal to how many paise?
And 200.
2 into 100. That actually we are doing that. 2 into 100, 200 paise.
100.
Like that, 3 rupee equal to
300.
300 paise.
300.
4 rupee equal to
400 paise.
400 paise. So, one shortcut way is there to multiply by 100. One shortcut way is there to multiply by 100. You only want to put 2 zeros along with the rupee. Here 3 rupee along with that 300 paise. So like that, it is, if it is 53 rupees, how many paise? 53 rupees equal to how many paise?
500.
Just see, we have to write 53 along with that. How many zeros we have to put?
3.
2 zeros, because 100 has only 2 zeros. So along with that, you have to put 2 zeros.
5,300.
Okay, so what is the amount?
5,300.
3,300 paise. Like that, 91 rupees.
Ma'am, 9,100.
You have to write 91 along with that 2 zeros. So that will become paise. So actually we are multiplying by 100. For that, one shortcut way is there. You only want to put 2 zeros with the rupees, then it will become paise. Okay. So to convert from rupees to paise, you have to multiply by 100. Like that, how we will convert from paise to rupees? If paise, for converting from rupees to paise, we have to multiply by 100. We have to multiply by 100. If you want to convert paise to rupees, what we have to do? What is the opposite process of multiplication? Division. My dear children, you have to divide by 100. That means both are reverse process. Conversion of rupees to paise is the opposite process of or reverse process of conversion from rupees to. Both are reverse process. Okay. You don't want to scare about this division because one easy way is there to divide by 100. My dear children, 100 paise equal to how many rupee? 100 paise equal to how many rupee?
1 rupee.
1 rupee.
1 rupee.
So 200 paise equal to how many rupee?
2 rupee.
2 rupee. 300 paise equal to how many rupee?
3 rupee.
3 rupee. What we have done, we just removed the last 2 zeros. Then we got the rupee. From 100, we just removed these 2 zeros and we got rupee 1. Like that, here we removed 2 zeros, then we got rupee 2. From paise, you just removed that last 2 zeros. Then you got rupees. If I am writing another one, 2,100 paise equal to how many rupees?
21 rupee.
Just remove that last 2 zero.
21 rupee.
Rupees 21. Okay. So, my dear children, to convert from rupees to paise, what you have to do? You have to write 2 zeros along with the number. That means you have to multiply.
Multiply by 100.
Multiply by 100. If you want to convert from paise to rupees, you just remove that 2 zeros. That means divide by 100.
100.
Both are reverse operation. Okay. So all of you now open your workbook. Everybody. Money chapter. Page number 46. First 3 questions are very easy. So let us discuss it together. After that, one by one, I'll ask you. Okay. Page number 46.
The value of the given notice.
Yes, somebody is reading. Who is that?
Ma'am,
Ronit. Yes. Let Ronit read that question. Yes.
Eden. The value
After that, I'll
of
give you
a
chance.
given
Here.
note is 50.
Rupees 50. It is clearly written over here. Rupees 50. Which is the option?
B. B.
Option B. Yes, option B. Rupees 50.
Ma'am, Rahul can I Ma'am, Eden. Rahul.
Next question, let Aiden read.
Rahul.
Next question, let Aiden read. After that, I'll give chance to others. Okay. Where is our Aiden? Let me unmute you, my dear. Yes, Aiden, unmute. Rupees 50.
Then
Sorry? Question 2.
can I read?
Aiden, read.
Ma'am, the 10 rupee coin among the following is Ma'am
Dash. A. Rupees 10 coin is A. Coin is will be like this. And this 10 is note. So option A. It is option A. Now,
Ma'am,
next
can I
question.
read?
Adesh,
Can
what is
I
your
read?
doubt?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, read question number 3.
Which of the following combination shows 30?
First combination shows how much? 10,
Ma'am, 50.
20, 30, 40, 50. So it is 50 rupees. Second combination?
Yeah.
What is the second? 2 10 rupee coins.
20.
20. C.
20.
Option C, how many rupees?
40 rupees.
40 rupees. Option D, 5, 10.
Ma'am, 30.
5, 10,
Ma'am,
15,
30.
20, 25, 30. So, which is the correct option? Option D.
D.
Yes. Now, next question to, yes, very good dear. Now, Jovial, please unmute and read the next question. Rupees. This symbol is for rupees. So, rupees 3 equal to?
3 is equal to dash paise.
Yes. My dear children, wait, let me say, my dear. After that, you can say the answer. Whenever you want to convert rupees to paise, you have to multiply by 100. That means you have to put 2 zeros. You have to put 2 zeros along with the rupee. So how many? You have to write 3, and how many zeros you want to write? 2. So what is the, how many paise? Will you read?
300 paise.
300 paise. Rupees 3 equal to 300 paise. Which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C. Very good. Now, very good dear. Now, next question. Rahul has asked. No? After that, I will ask to Meha. Okay, Meha, be ready for the other question. Where is our Rahul? Please unmute.
Yes,
Unmute, dear.
ma'am. 50 paise.
Rupees 15. Don't forget to read that symbol. It is rupees 15 equal to dash paise.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B. Will you read that number?
Yes, 1,500.
Very good. 1,500. Along with the 15, you have to put 2 zeros. So 1,500 paise. Very good, dear. Next, Meha. Where is our Meha? Yes, Meha. Unmute.
Yes,
200 paise equal to rupees dash.
ma'am, rupees 2.
Very good. Very good, Meha. To convert from paise to rupee, just remove the last 2 zeros. Actually, we are dividing by 100, but it is easy to do like this. Just remove last 2 zeros. So, rupees 2. Very good. Very good, dear. You please mute your audio. Now, Tejasri, please unmute. Tejasri, please unmute. Tejasri is not.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Once more you unmute. Tejasri.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 7th question.
Ma'am, one call came. Right.
Sorry?
Ma'am, one call came. That's it.
Sorry?
Ma'am, one call came. That's it.
One
Call came.
call came. So, can you say question number 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Or say
6 into 100 paise is equal dash rupees.
how many rupee?
Ma'am,
Mm.
6 rupees.
Very good. Rupees 6. Because we just remove this two zeros. 6 into 100 means 600. So just remove that last two zeros. So rupees 6. Very good. You can mute your audio, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next who is there to get chance? Yes, Dave. Please read the next question. Eighth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Conversion of paise into rupees is the reverse process of conversion of rupees into
hmm. Conversion of paise to rupees is the reverse process of conversion of rupees to, from rupees to what we will convert?
rupees to
Uh,
paise.
yes, it's not that much important question. Still, we just write the answer. All of you write paise. P-A-I-S-E. Paise. P-A-I. Spelling is not clear, I think. I will write once more. P-A-I-S-E. Good, very good. Now, Zain, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Don't turn off your video, my dear. Okay.
ma'am,
Question number 8.
rupees 8 equal to ma'am 800 paise.
Very good. Along with the 8, you have to put two zeros. So 800 paise. Very good, my dear. You can mute your audio. Bhagya, please unmute. Next question.
Yes,
10th question.
ma'am. Convert
Convert.
rupees for 2
Mm.
paisa.
Paise. How many paise?
400.
Very good. Along with the 4, two zeros we have to put. Then it will become paise, 400 paise. Very good, my dear. You can mute your audio. All of you turn the page. Next question to Nia. Please unmute and say. Question number 11.
Convert 700 paise to rupees. Rupees 7.
Very good. Just remove the last two zeros. So 7 is remaining. You have to write rupees
Ma'am, I
7.
didn't finish question number 10.
Very good. Very good. Very good. You can mute your audio. Veda. Next question.
Convert
Hmm.
1 to paisa.
How many? How many paise?
100.
Yes, along rupees 1 equal to 100 paise, we know. So 100 paise. Well, if you write 100 paise. Now, very good, my dear. Mute your audio. Next, who is remaining? Benedict. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question, 13th question.
Convert rupees 64 to paise.
Rupees 64 equal to how many paise?
And I joined late. I have some network issues. I don't understand.
My dear, to convert from rupees to paise, you have to multiply by 100. The number you have to multiply by 100. One easy way to do that. Here rupees 64, no? So you just write the 64. Along with that, put two zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it becomes paise. Rupees 64 equal to 6,400 paise. Okay. Along with the rupee, just put two more zeros. Two zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Then it will become paise. So Benedict, will you give answer for 14th question A, rupees 23?
Yes, ma'am.
What is, how many paise? Rupees 23 to paise.
Ma'am, 2300 paise.
Very good. 2,300 paise. now next is very good here. You can mute your audio. Yes, Benedict, what were you going to say?
Ma'am, you don't do 13 to
Yes, I will ask that to somebody else. Please listen. Okay. Join late, no? So please listen. I want answer from Ryan Harris. Please unmute. Ryan Harris, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Question B. Read question B. Question B, will you read?
yes, ma'am.
13th question B.
675
No. 13th question B.
to 240 paise to rupees.
My dear children, here you have to be careful. 240 paise. Here, if you want to remove 0, only 1 0 is there. That we cannot do. So what we have to do is 240, no? So just split and write 200 paise plus 40 paise. 200 plus 40 paise. 200 plus 40 paise. Or 200 paise plus 40 paise. 40 paise. And my dear children, 200 paise equal to how many rupees? Ryan, 200 paise equal to how many rupees?
Ma'am,
Ah,
tell once more.
yes, 200 paise equal to how many rupees? 200 paise equal to how many rupees? My dear, just remove the last two zeros. Just
Ma'am, 2
remove.
rupees.
2 rupees. 2 rupees. But here we cannot remove two zeros. So we can write the same as 40 paise. Is that clear to everyone? Rupees 200 paise we can convert to rupees just by just removing the last two zeros, rupees 2. 40 paise we cannot remove two zeros, so we can write as such. So rupees 2 plus rupees 40 paise. This we can write as rupees 2.40 or 2.40 rupees 2.40. 2 rupees 40 paise you can write in short form like this. So 14th question B is very easy. 14th question B is easy. Have you all understood this one? Have you all understood how we converted 240 paise into rupees?
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, I
First,
did not understand.
240 paise. In that we cannot remove two zeros because here only 1 0. We cannot remove two zeros and write the answer. So what we have done is, in this how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds are there. So we split it and written like this. 240 equal to 200 paise plus 40 paise. 240 paise equal to 200 paise plus 40 paise. Then 200 paise, how many rupees? Just remove the last two zeros and write rupees 2.
Ma'am, 2 rupees.
Then 40 paise we cannot remove last two zeros. So we written as such. Then rupees 2 plus 40 paise. That we can write in the short form rupees 2.040 or 2.40. Okay, just put a point and write like this. Rupees 2.40. Is that clear to now? Is that clear?
Rupees 2.40.
Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. All videos are off. I want every videos to be. I want to say every. Veda, have you got chance today? Unmute. Yes, you have. You got chance today?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Stan. What about Stanin? Wait. Andrea, please unmute. Andrea, please unmute first. Andrea, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
14th question B. 14th question B. 400 paise 2 rupees. How many rupees? Andrea, 400 paise equal to how many rupees? My dear, to convert from paise to rupee, just remove the last two zeros. So if you are removing the last two zeros, what is the amount?
4.
Rupees 4. Okay. For converting from paise to rupees, just remove last two zeros. So rupees 4 you will get here. Okay. Have you understood that?
Okay, ma'am.
Have you understood? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Ajwa, please unmute. Ajwa, please unmute. First.
Yes, ma'am.
15th question A. 265 paise 2 rupees. How you will convert that?
Your sound was breaking here.
What happened? Any network issues are there? My dear children, my voice is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, we can do it together. 265 paise into rupees. How we will convert? So 265 paise, can we remove zeros and can we write the answer?
No.
No. So what we have to do?
Ma'am, we are right.
What do you have to do? What do you want to do if you cannot remove the zeros? What do you have to do?
3,002.
No. Not 3,000. We have to convert to rupees.
2 by 65.
Sorry?
2 by 65.
2.65. For that, my dear children, you have to split and write. You have to split and write the hundreds. Here, 200 in 265, how many hundreds are there?
2.
200s. So 200 paise plus 65 paise. Okay, you have to split and write like this. 200 paise plus 65 paise. 200 paise, how many rupees? 200 paise, how many rupees?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Just remove that 2 zeros and you will get rupees 2. 65 paise, can we make 2 rupees? 65 paise, can we convert to rupees?
No.
No. So we can write same 65 paise. Now, rupees 2 plus 65 paise. This one we can write as short form like this. Rupees 2. After that, this 65 paise you can write after a point. So rupees 2.65. Is that clear to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you do question B and give me the answer. Question B. Do question B and tell me the answer. 675 paise.
600 paise plus.
Here also we cannot remove last two zeros. So we have to split and write the hundreds. Ahlam Sheza, please unmute. Ahlam.
625.
In 675, how many hundreds we can take? In 675 paise, how many hundreds are there? 600.
Rupees 2.
My dear, 675. In that number, how many hundreds are there? 675. When you're reading itself, you are saying 675. So in that, how many hundreds are there?
Yes.
Ma'am, 600.
600. 6. Very good, dear. 600 paise plus 75 paise.
6.75.
Here, 600
Ma'am,
paise equal to how many rupees?
Ma'am, I finish.
Very good. 600 paise equal to how many rupees? Just remove the zeros and tell me answer.
60.
Sorry?
6.
6. Just remove the last two zeros. When you want to convert paise to rupees, just remove the last two zeros. Rupees 6 plus
6
75 paise, we cannot do anything. So just write as 6. Then rupees 6 plus 75
Ma'am,
paise.
finish.
That means rupees 6.75.
Ma'am,
Rupees
finish.
6.75.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I got answer.
have you all got this answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now,
Ma'am, finish.
very good. Question C. I want answer from Nobin. Question C. Rupees 32 equal to how many paise? Nobin, please unmute. Nobin, please unmute. Ah. 32. Rupees 32 equal to how many paise?
Ma'am,
Ah.
3 rupees.
My
3
dear.
rupees 20 paise.
My dear, we have to convert. This is already in rupee. You want
Ma'am,
to
can
convert
I
it to
say?
paise.
Ma'am, can I
Paise.
say?
We have to multiply by 100. So,
Can I say?
wait, let it
Ma'am.
Nobin say.
Ma'am, 300.
Is it 300? What I told you, you have to put two zeros along with the rupee. Here rupee is 32. Along with the 32, you have to put two
Okay.
zeros. Okay, Nobin?
Okay.
So, after 32, if you are putting two zeros, what you will read this number?
3,200.
Nobin, read 3,000. 3,200 paise. Nobin, tell me the answer for D. Rupees 11 equal to how many paise?
Ma'am,
After, how you will convert to paise?
11 into 100. 11 into 100.
So what will be the final answer? 11 into 100 means after 11 you have to put two zeros. So what we will read this number?
Ma'am, 1,100
1,100 paise.
paise.
Very good. My dear children,
Thank you.
D is same type question. Please do it yourself. Okay. The same type. Will you all do that?
Yes.
Yes. So once again, let us revise. Once again, let us revise. Have you all completed this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once again, let us revise what we have learned today. First, only two things we have learned. The first thing is that to convert from rupees to paise, we have to multiply by 100. What do you want to do? You want to multiply by 100. Okay. To multiply by 100, you just put two zeros along with the given rupees. Just put two zeros in the right side. Then it will be multiplied by 100. Okay. Is that clear to everyone? Is that
Yes.
clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Like that, to convert from paise to rupees, you have to divide by 100. There is an easy way to divide by 100. Just remove the last two zeros of the number. Just remove the last two zeros. Okay. Is that two things we have learned today? Please now itself do the homework. Okay, will you do it now itself?
Yes.
Will you all do now itself? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So please do it. Try to do it. Till question number 16 only you want to learn for this chapter. Okay. And our money chapter over now. Okay.
Till question number 16.
Only till question number 16. Okay. You want to read. You want to do. Thank you, my dear children. Bye.